Now we'll go with exercise 3.7. For sum, Renu purchased 2 bags of fertilizers of weights 75 kgs and 69 kgs. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. So it is given Renu purchased 2 bags of fertilizers of weights. So what is the weight of first bag? Weight of first bag is equal to 75 kgs, and then the weight of second bag is equal to 63 kgs. Now you have to find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. So maximum value of fertilizer means you have to find out a number which can divide which divides 75 and 63. Means you have to find the HCF of 75 and 63. So the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of fertilizer exact number of times means you have to find out a maximum number, bigger number which can divide both 75 and 63 exact number of times. Means you have to find the HCF of 75 and 63. So this one, by finding HCF, either you can go by division method or you can go by prime factorization. Now let us check with this with division method. So this is 65, 63 and 75. So 63, how many times it can divide? It is 1 sir, 63. So this is 2 and this is 12. Now again 12 you have to take it as divisor and bring down the old divisor. Here the old divisor is 63. How many times it can divide? 12 5s are 60, remainder 3, and then again you have to bring down the old divisor. Here the old divisor here is 12. So 3 4s are 12. Therefore, HCF of 75 and 63 is 3. HCF is equal to 3. Therefore, the maximum value of weight which can measure both the weights exact number of times is 3 kgs. Pause. The next sum is 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeters, 70 centimeters and 77 centimeters respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? So the measure of the step of the first boy is 63 centimeters, and the measure of each step of the second boy is 70 centimeters and the third boy is 77 centimeters. Now when the first boy takes the first step, then it measures 63 centimeters. Now when he takes the second step, it becomes 126 centimeters, and when he takes the third step it becomes 189 centimeters and so on. Similarly, the first step of the second boy, each step of the second boy, the length of each step of the second boy is 70 centimeters, and when he takes the second step, he will be at 140 centimeters, and when he takes the third step, it would be 210 centimeters, and so on. Similarly, the third step is 77, and when he takes the second step, it becomes 154 centimeters, and so on. In this way, when you see this is 63, 126, 189. All these are multiples of 63. Here in the same way, 72, 72s are 73s are. These are also multiples of 70, and these are also multiples of 77. So you have to find out the smallest number where all the three members would step at the same spot. So you have to find out the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover in complete steps. So here you have to find the LCM of 63, 70 and 77. So LCM of 63, 70 and 77. All these three numbers are divisible by 7. Let us check how many times 7 9s are, 7 10s are, 7 11s are. Now again 9, 10 and 11. All these are co-primes. So all these three numbers you don't get them in any you don't get them in any table, any single table. So you can stop this process and find their LCM. So LCM is equal to 7 into 9 into 10 into 11. 7 9s are 63. 63 into 10 is 630, and 630 into 11 is 6930 centimeters. So the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover. The minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover in complete steps is 6930. The minimum distance each should cover is 6930 centimeters.